the bearish market structure, BYBT strategy, trend trading. So this is a chart of gold that we are using, and if you want to learn more of trend trading, check out our ebook. The links will be in the description. So we have lower high, and that lower high is giving us an impulse, creating lower low. Then we get lower high, giving us another impulse, creating lower low. We get another lower high here, then gives us another impulse, creating another lower low. So if you're to combine this lower high and this retest here, we get our area of confluence, that is our AOC. Then you can clearly see this pullback that is leading to our retest into our area of confluence. So once we get a break out of this pullback, so this candle will mark the end of our pullback. So we shall be able to take our sell on the closure of that candle, stop loss above the area of confluence, then we get 16 pips below. So with that, we are trading in line with the current trend, which is our downtrend here, which is shown to you by this structure. So you can clearly see the market is creating the lower highs and lower lows, which is a clear downtrend. So here we are taking our sell in line with our downtrend. So that marks the end of our video. If you enjoy such, subscribe. See you the next one.